Hey guys, what's up? Welcome on Top Fishing Videos. I'm David. So you are in the right place if you like fishing and fishing videos. So before watching this one, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell. So see you after this video. Now let's watch.
Welcome to another adventure. Ooh, there we go. Another one for the road. All right, third fish of the day. Doing pretty good. Still got a good couple hours left. I'm looking for that one big buck hog. Let's do it. Almost at the lake. I can see it. Well, it's only supposed to be 9 degrees. I'm sweating my balls off. Rain stopped. Bonus. Got in here safely. Didn't run over any deer. Bonus. Now to see if there's anybody set up at my favorite spot. And there's the lake we'll be fishing today, guys. Glorious brook trout lake. And bonus, nobody's here. Dynamite! Okay, very first thing I gotta do is I gotta get the minnow trap in. And then we'll talk about my setup for the day and get this show on the road. Alright, just some simple bread and dog food. Alright, let's get things set up while we're waiting for a few minnows to fill up in the trap. I'll explain the setup for the day. Yeah. Let me give you an example of how I set up my slip bobber setup when I'm using live bait for brook trout. Very first thing, you have your stop, of course, so you can adjust your depth as you go accordingly. I have a small little weight, a swivel, and very important, 6-pound fluorocarbon. You definitely want to go as light as possible. These brook trout and other species of trout are very line shy. I use a 6-pound fluorocarbon leader, swivel, 8-pound monofilament line. Well, there's a couple to get started. Alright, got my little hook. I know I saw one shiner in there. Got him. I prefer using shiners, rosy muds, golden shiners. And we're just very lightly hooking them behind that dorsal fin. Try to keep them alive as long as possible, kicking. And let the fishing begin. Uh-oh, I think I got a fish on there. There we go. Oh, I had one. God damn it, lost my first one. Bite could be good today. That was a decent sized one too. We'll stand up here for a minute. Look at that instantly. There he goes. Got him. Woo! Can you say here 15 minutes and we got our first brook trout? Bam, baby! Uh-oh. Come into focus, come in. Focus. Look what we have. A beautiful little male brook trout. Yeah. Is that in focus? Let's get the release. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Yeah. Okay, so I just showed that first catch to the camera, and like a complete idiot, I didn't have it on. All right, let's see if we can make that happen fast again. Oh, there we go. I think we got another one, guys. Take it down. Come on, take it down. There we go. Bingo. Yeah. Beautiful little female. There we go. Nice, beautiful little one. Nice little female. Let's get her back in the water and let's get back to fishing. Come on, sweetheart. Uh-oh. Trout are so sensitive. If she doesn't make it, I'll be eating her. Good one. It's a good one. Yeah. Come here, baby. Woo. Look at that one. All right, third fish of the day. Doing pretty good. Still got a good couple hours left. I'm looking for that one big buck hog. Let's do it. So today the bite seems to be one of those odd bites where they're picking it up and then kind of chewing it right there. They're not really just taking it down or swimming off with it. They're just kind of sitting in the same area as they pick it. So I'm watching my bobber carefully because it's ever so subtle and I don't want them to take it too deep. And so if I miss that little bit of play, then they're swallowing it and I'm going to end up with more than I want. Oh, shoot, my bobber's gone. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got a catfish. Never mind. Oh, we got one. Yeah. Doing good today. No monsters, but racking up them numbers. Oh, we got one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a catfish. Damn it. Meow. Oh. There we go. Catfish. Goddamn catfish. It's the little catfish that are the most dangerous. That's how sharp that old bastard's thing was. Alright, 5:45. I think I'm out of here at 6 o'clock. That means I'll be at the car for about 6:30. Hopefully I can capture some cool wildlife on the walk and or drive out. It's a cool time to be driving out of the woods, just as dark setting in. Something's got it again. Ooh, there we go. Another one for the road. Yeah, baby. Beautiful. Another beautiful fish. Well, that's a wrap on today's video. Brook trout fishing in the backcountry. Had a banging day. Taking home a few little ones. That wasn't my intention. I'd prefer to let the little ones go, let them grow. But they're not going to go to waste. I'm going to eat these bad boys up for supper tonight. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got a few more videos up my sleeve before ice fishing season comes. But once that ice comes, we're going to be hitting it hard. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, I'd really appreciate you hit that like button. And you'll catch me in the next one. Cheers.
So thanks for watching this fishing video. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and put a thumbs up. See you, bye bye guys, take care.